Hi, today I have a dermatologist appointment and I wanted to take you guys along with me. So please come along and see everything that we are doing. I had a really bad case of like skin inflammation. There were a lot of acne. My scalp was really flaky, which led to a lot of breakouts on my forehead, on the temples, on the chin, on the jawline. And so I decided it was time for me to go to the doctor and figure out if everything was okay with me. We did a couple of blood reports, and today I am going to her with my blood reports, and I'll also insert a picture of what my skin used to look like. And this is just like 5 days ago, and she has given me some ointment which you saw in the last vlog. This is what the skin is looking like right now. It's so much better, but she has given me kind of like a schedule. But yeah, today I have a follow-up, so let's go. So this is what I'm wearing. It's a onesie that I got from Zara, and this jacket is also from Zara. It's actually from the men's section. I am obsessed with it. Look how beautiful it is. I always find the nicest thing from the men's section, and then I'm just wearing like plain white sneakers. These are from Reebok. And yeah, let's go. She is already ready in her bag. She's super ready. I'm feeling so bad that I have to wake Shadow up and take her now. So I made it to the clinic. Today I think she's gonna do a peel for me. Last time then when I was here we did like mesotherapy and mesoporation and red light something to reduce the inflammation. She didn't want to do a peel right away because my skin was really inflamed, but here we are. I love that they got me a ring light because I said the light wasn't the best. I wanted to take a few stories and stuff, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do like a combination peel, but hopefully the doctor will be able to explain better what we're gonna do today. Yeah, so I just have like sunscreen on my face, nothing else. We'll take one more picture right now and then we can get started.
Hi, so I'm Dr. Saloni Bora, a consultant dermatologist at Dr. Shade Skin and Hair Clinic. So Debasree came to me with complaints of acne and a condition called as rosacea. Basically, rosacea is nothing but skin sensitivity, wherein the skin cells and the blood vessels are inflamed, red, itchy, irritating. So yeah, we are starting her treatments today. Well, topically, I have given her some soothing agents, a good moisturizer and sunscreen that suits her skin. I've also been treating her with a few actives, and what I have planned for her is red light treatment, which is called as intense pulse light therapy, which calms down the skin sensitivity, along with adding rejuvenating serums which calm down the inflammation. And today what we are going to do is something called as a chemical peel, which will help in reducing the acne and of course the comedones, and help in texture improvement.
What peel is that?
So this is a salicylic acid peel. This will help in reducing your acne, basically unclogging your pores. It removes your dead cells.
It stings in the corner of my nose.
Yes,
right side.
it will. Overall wearable.
Yeah. How long are you keeping this?
A total of 4 minutes. I'm applying a vitamin C serum in peel, which is a cream based one. It will get absorbed into your skin and you have to leave it on for 8 hours. After which you can wash with plain water.
This is the retinoid based one.
Yes. Just gently massaging it into your skin so that it gets absorbed. You may feel slight stinging or burning sensation. That's going to be temporary.
So we're done with the application of both the peels. The first one was removed. The second one needs to be kept on for 8 hours. So it has absorbed into my skin. We put vitamin C serum first and then the peel. So yeah, I'm done here. So today is 8th February and today I have another set of peels. I think we're going to do the combination or the advanced peel, and this is what my skin looks like at the moment, except for one breakout here. The rest looks good. Even this pigmentation or like an acne mark that I have or had faded quite a bit, and even this side is pretty good. I had one breakout here which is kind of on its way out, but this is what it looks like. And overall I feel like the skin of the rest of my body also looks and feels better. I do have really dry lips at the moment, and the skin is also slightly dry and oily at the same time. I can't really explain it, but I feel like that has a lot to do with the weather and me being dehydrated. But yeah, let's go to the clinic. I'm super excited, and I'll see you there. What peel is this?
This is a salicylic acid peel because you have very tiny breakouts. And of course the texture is also, it's better than before, but we still need some improvement.
Yes.
So salicylic acid, and you have rosacea, so it suits well.
So we kept it on for like 10 minutes and now she's removing it all. Just icing the skin. This one was a really strong one. So it's been 10 days since my last appointment. The last time I came here, I did peels. We did a combination peel. And so this is what my skin is looking like in 10 days. So as you guys saw, it was really peeling. I have a few active breakouts here, right here. I'm also like 3 to 4 days away from my period, so usually that's when I really flare out in this area, so it's pretty normal for me. But on this side of my face it's better. I also feel like I sleep more on this side. That could be the case as well. And my hair is more on this side, so you never know with breakouts. It's so many things. So today we're doing I think SSR and mesotherapy again. So I'll take you guys along with me when we're doing the whole process.
Hi, so 15 days back we did an advanced peel for Debasree, and as you saw, the skin was slightly peeling. It peeled for about 4 to 5 days, after which the texture improved, the acne improved. Now today again we did intense pulse light therapy along with mesotherapy. Basically what I did over here is, with the help of a red light, we reduced the inflammation on her skin, improved the texture. It also helps in reducing the zits on her face. After the intense pulse light therapy, we did mesotherapy, wherein rejuvenating solutions were penetrated into the skin with the help of electroporation machine. This was all to basically improve her acne, rosacea as well as texture. And prescription wise, we are slowly introducing actives one by one depending on what her skin needs.